question 1 has to deal with the experiment that led to the discovery of the electron by J.J. Thomson. And the candidate should recall that in that experiment there were 4 principal observations that were made, and each observation was indicative of a particular or a specific property of the electron. And the observation in question here is observation 2 of that experiment, and this particular observation was indicative of the fact that electrons travel in straight lines. It is worth mentioning that the other options, that is A, C and D, are very correct and true of the property and behavior of electrons, but they are not indicative of this particular observation in that experiment. Option A says electrons are waves. That is very true, but to say electrons behave as waves is very vague, because straight line motion is not the only property of waves, and the property made use of in this particular observation was straight line motion. Option C says electrons have both wave and particle properties. That is also very correct, as it was even demonstrated in 1925 by Louis de Broglie, but it is not indicative of this particular observation. To say electrons behave as properties was indicative of observation 3 in Thomson's experiment. That observation set or explained the fact that electrons are particulate in nature because they produce mechanical motion in that experiment. That is, they cause the wheel of the paddle to rotate by applying mechanical pressure on the wheel. That is why C is not the answer here. Option D says electrons are negatively charged. Well, that is very true, and as a matter of fact this was indicative of observation 1 in that experiment, since the electrons were deflected towards the positive plate of an electric and a magnetic field. So in summary, the best answer is B.